交 to make friends. 交 means to hand over, to deliver, or to pay. But in this lesson, it has an entirely different meaning. That is, to make friends. So while you can 交功课, hand in homework, you can also 交朋友, make friends. If you've spent any time in China, you know it's not uncommon for someone to ask you, 我们可以交个朋友吗? Can we be friends? 本 major word for books. In this lesson, we've already begun discussing 量词 or major words. Here with 本, we have a major word you have likely already heard numerous times, or certainly, well, in the course of your Chinese study. 本 is the major word for all manner of books. So, if you've been in any Mandarin language class, your teacher will have told you to 拿本子出来, take out your book, or 写在你的笔记本, write in your notebook. 认真 serious, earnest. 认 means to recognize or to know. 真 means really, truly, or genuine. 认真 together means serious, earnest, or conscientious. Therefore, if someone says you are 认真, they're telling you they can recognize you are the real deal, or basically that you are a serious or earnest person. 认真 is always a good thing, so you might even look forward to hearing it. Don't be surprised if after studying Mandarin with us, someone tells you, 你的中文真的进步了. 你好认真. Your Chinese has really improved. You're so conscientious. 张 major word for flat objects. 张 is yet another new major word for us in this lesson. A piece of paper, a ticket, a table, or even a bed. Anything long and flat can be 一张. Believe it or not, 张 is so common. It's also a very popular Chinese surname. 利用 to use, to utilize. 利, among other things, means favorable, advantage, or benefit. 用 means to use or utilize. Said together, 利用 means to take advantage of something and use it for one's benefit, or simply to utilize. Similar to English, 利用 can be used with either positive or negative connotations. 辆 major word for vehicles. 辆 is this lesson's third major word. Whatever the type of vehicle, as long as its primary function is to run on wheels, the Mandarin major word for this will usually be 辆. While we haven't really spoken much about the composition of the characters we're learning in this lesson, it is perhaps worth pointing out that this character, 辆, has 车, which means car or vehicle, as a component. If nothing else, we should pay attention to individual characters. Makeup, as their elements, can very often convey quite a bit. 开玩笑 to joke, to make fun of. 开 means to open, start, or turn on. 玩 here means to play or to have fun. And 笑 means to laugh or to smile, As a direct translation, I suppose we can say, when we start having fun and laughing, this means we're joking. We can also look at 开玩笑 as a simple verb-object construction, where 开 is the verb meaning make, and 玩笑 is the noun meaning a joke. 我喜欢跟朋友开玩笑. I like making jokes with friends.